Hello viewers, I'm Zahur Islam and you are watching me on my YouTube channel Zahur Islam Official. Today the topic which I'm going to present, that is the development of crystallization process for pharmaceutical applications. So you all know better that nowadays in this modern age we are the scientists, they are going to develop new methods and new innovations in the field of pharmaceutical sciences and biological sciences. So nowadays healthcare, it is a critical issue in our society. So development of new drugs is a complex and challenging work that required the participation of researchers in both industry and academia. The preferred routes of administration of most drugs is in oral dosage form because it is convenient for every patient with the active ingredients as a solid or crystalline solid. The production of crystalline active pharmaceutical ingredient by crystallization is therefore crucial in drug development. To understanding of the key process parameters and its effect on the characteristics of the end product is the essential part of process development. So a number of technology, they are currently available to support the research work of crystallization process development at laboratory scale. This article will review the technologies that may be used in the development of the crystallization process for the pharmaceutical applications. A methodology for planning, designing, and running robust crystallization experiments at the laboratory scale is introduced. And this methodology is allow control of key crystal properties which determine some of the relevant characteristics of the new drug, such as pharmacokinetics and bioavailability. So the article emphasizes the importance of the research work in the lab to support the development and new pharmaceutical products. So in this research article, the keywords are process development, crystallization, and pharmaceutical products. Now come toward the basic introductions. You know that pressure to shorten the time to the market in the pharmaceutical industry is demanding the innovative ways to accelerate the process to develop a new drugs. Developing a pharmaceutical products usually involve the number of stages including the drug discovery, design of the dosage form, and development of the process to produce the drug. So typically the process is developed at various scale levels, the lab scale or the pilot, plant scale and manufacturing scale. So the pharmaceutical manufacturing include the different unit separations such as reaction system like crystallization, filtration, drying and milling. So crystallization is a critical operation which is need to be well understood in order to obtain the desired specification of the final product. And this paper is totally focused on the development of crystallization process at a laboratory scale. So the end goal is to outline a methodology which intend to be systematic guides for the plannings, for the designing and executing the lab scale experiments to develop the crystallization process. The technologies for crystallization process development at lab scale. There are a number of analytical technologies to measure the critical process parameter, the product attributes of the crystal, and the use of those technology may contribute to accelerate the development of the crystal, the development of the crystallization process in the pharmaceutical industry, and helps to generate the valuable information to support the decision during the development of new drugs. So in this section, some of the most utilized technology they are reviewed, and particularly the application and the crystallization study they are discussed. So for this review, the analytical technologies are grouped like spectral, diffraction, reflective, and thermal methods. So inshallah, in my next lecture, I will talk about the infrared spectroscopy. Thank you so much for watching my lecture.